Hi, welcome to a2zknowledge.com. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to install R and R Studio. So this is what we are going to discuss today. So first of all you have to install R in your machine so that then you can able to start your programming part with respect to R, and you can Google it, you can Google it like R download, something like that. So you will be getting to their official website and you can able to download the latest version of R. Okay, so I have already downloaded this package. You can see here this is an R. So you can install this like how you install Java before writing a Java program or Python or Perl. Like that, first you have to install this R. So it has all the runtime libraries and the development environment, development toolkits to run your program. So I'm just gonna run this. So it's like a next. So you don't want to do any special configuration while installing. So just you can give. So like this. Okay. Yeah. Not give S. Finish. So this is like an if I want to compare with another programming languages like the installation perspective I'm saying. So I will go with the Java. So you have JDK, right? So Java Development Toolkit. So you will be installing Java first by downloading it from some Oracle or some website. So similarly, first we have to download the R, which has all the runtime libraries. So first we need to install it. So R comes with its inbuilt console where you can type your program. It's similar to running a Java program in a command line. So similarly, it has its own inbuilt shell. Okay, so where you can start practicing and you can do all those stuff. But when the development perspective, okay, I will just give finish. Okay, the development perspective, you have to use some advanced IDEs. When I say IDE, the full form is Integrated Development Environment. In other programming world like Python or Java, we use Eclipse. Eclipse is an IDE, and even NetBeans is an IDE. IntelliJ is an IDE. There is many other IDEs provided in the market. So these IDEs will reduce the time in creating a project or deploying or writing a code. So that reduce the time of the developer. Okay, so and these tools are suggested in the development area and the production. So we can test, if I want to test some hello world or something like that, I can run it in a command line or I can do it in a shell. But in the development perspective, we need some kind of IDEs, development toolkits. So if you are not aware of what he is speaking about, what is he's telling something Java or Python, you can skip all those things. What exactly I'm coming to say is there is many other tools available in market which you can use to type your program in a very good way compared to the native shell or console or command line way. Okay, so if you see, okay, so I have just installed R. I didn't install any other stuff. I just installed R and it got installed here. Just click it. So this is what the native way of typing code in R console. Okay, this is the native one. So I just do something. Hello world. Okay, so I just print hello. Okay. So I'm just getting hello. Okay, so you can see when I give print, I'm not getting any autocomplete. So if I get an autocomplete, that will be easy for me to develop. So this is one example I can give you. Why? Like people, I cannot say like people won't go for this, but people used to go. So in a beginner level, but in an advanced level, they used to go for some kind of an IDEs. Okay. So you can see there is an IDE available especially for R, which we call it as R Studio. Even you can use Eclipse also. You can configure that. You can use it if you are familiar with Eclipse tool. So I just installed this one. This is also next. You don't want to do any other special configuration to install it. Just you can do next. So this will install. So why we are asking you to go with some IDEs, like as I told you, it will reduce the time of the developer to write a code or to manage something. This will create a project. You can save the project. You can reuse it. The same thing you can do there. So it's like a kind of a native way, since like we have these kind of studios IDs nowadays we can use. Whereas if you see in Java, I have to write a file and I need to save it with .java extension, and then I need to run that file in a command prompt. See, for each and every changes I do, I have to again go for a command prompt. I have to run it. Instead, if I have a button with a green button, if I run it, it has to get executed, and I need to get an output. So that is provided in the tools which I said IDEs, Integrated Development Environment. The full form says you what it is, right? So these IDs are available in market. You can use it. So now RStudio is also got installed. I can use it. Just type, let's search for it. Yes, RStudio. So this is our studio. So people in the development area, people will use this. So now I'm just show you how you can say like it's similar to the console only, right? So both are same. So for the way of working, the view purpose, it is same. If you see, it's all like a similar. But the thing is, the way you write code or something, then you will really understand what are all the advantages that you are getting in an R Studio. But underlying, there is no difference in writing code or getting an output. All are going the same. Okay. So now I'm just gonna type something. See, I'm getting an autocomplete. This is one example I can give you. I'm getting an autocomplete window. Okay. So I just type hello semicolon enter. I'm getting my output as hello. Warning is fine. So like I don't have any latest graphic engines which is not there. Graphic packages, libraries is not there. If I install latest or studio, I can able to enjoy it or manually I have to configure it. That's a warning. But even this warning is not it has been not came when I use this or native console, right? So a lot of advantages are there. You can see some kind of graphical if you use a lot of graphical libraries, you can see all graphical output views in another window. So you will be enjoying a lot when you use these kind of studios. So in upcoming videos I will be showing more examples, but the way which I show you example in future will be in the R studio, not in the native R. Okay, so in upcoming videos we can see a lot of videos. This video is all about how to set up an environment for you to work on R. So it's all about installation. That's it. So thanks for watching a2zknowledge.com. If you really like this video, subscribe my channel, forward this to your friends and colleagues. See you.